no? Nakikita ko rito may delays, no? For some of you, Scorpio, no? Maybe literally for some of you, pregnant pa kayo, no? Mga Scorpio natin, or ang partner nyo ba, pregnant, no? Merong mother figure dito, no? And with the metamorphosis and flow in reverse, nakikita ko ito, may delays, no? May delay sa pagbabago, may delay sa progress, no? Kung ano man tong mga ninanais yung pagbabago, no? Na hindi pa nangyayari. Parang nakikita ko may delay or may blockages, no? With the flow in reverse, ibig sabihin may blockage, no? Kasi flow dapat yan umaagos, di ba? In reverse siya, so merong blockages, no? Mga Scorpio natin sa hinahangad yung pagbabago sa buhay ninyo, no? That's why, no? Hindi mangyari niya, hindi siya nangyayari or delays, sabi natin mabagal, no? Because may hindrance, may blockages talaga, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, kung ano man yung blockages na yan, na nagpapabagal ng takbo ng or nagpapabagal sa pagbabago na ninanais ninyo, no? Mga Scorpio natin. So, let's see, kuha pa tayo ng additional cards for you, Scorpio. Tingnan natin, kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, Scorpio. No, let's see. 3 cards for Scorpio. No? Current situation for Scorpio. So, you have this inspiration, no? Inspiration. Relationship, connecting. And then, that's why, no? Merong blockages talaga, no? For some of you, no? Kung sino man tong person na you want to connect with, no? Hindi mangyari-yari, Scorpio, because may third person involved, no? Pwedeng babae, pwedeng lalaki, no? So, merong between the two of you, no? Merong third person involved, no? Siguro, for some of you, kung wala pa kayong connection ng person na ito, no? Ang nakikita ko, may blockages because one of you may karelasyon pa, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. But then, both of you are inspired by each other, no? So, mutual yung feelings ninyo, but then, hindi matuloy-tuloy yung connection ninyo because may person involved, may third party. Ay, hindi naman third party, no? Ang nakikita ko, may